You know what drives me crazy? Everyone explains WebSockets with technical jargon that makes no sense. Bidirectional, persistent TCP connection with full duplex communication. Like, what does that even mean? Let me explain it in a way that'll make you go, oh, that's it?
Okay, so imagine you're texting your friend, but here's the catch. You can only text them by asking a question, and they can only respond when you ask. So if your friend wants to tell you something, they can't just send it. They have to wait for you to ask first. You'd text, "Any updates?" They'd reply, "Yeah, I got the job." Then you ask again, "Anything else?" They replied, "Nope." Ask again. Now? Reply, "Still nope." This is exactly how regular HTTP works. Your browser keeps asking the server, "Got anything for me?" over and over and over. It's called polling, and it's slow, wasteful, and super annoying.
Now enters WebSockets. Totally different game. Instead of texting back and forth, you just call them. You open a phone line, and now both of you can talk whenever you want. No asking permission, no waiting. Your friend can interrupt you. "Hey, I just saw a dog." You can interrupt back. "Send me a pic." It's a conversation, not an interview. That's WebSockets. One connection opens, stays open, and data flows both ways instantly. Here's the cool part. It's stupid simple to set up. 3 steps. That's it. 1. You create the connection, like dialing a number. 2. When it connects, you can send messages. 3. When the server sends you something, you catch it here. Unlike HTTP, where you make a new request every single time, this connection stays alive. It's persistent.
So when would you actually use WebSockets?
Well, you would be surprised. You are probably using WebSockets every day, and you don't even realize it. WebSockets are engine behind almost everything that happens in real time on the web. Think about it. Live chat apps, where messages from your friend appears instantly, that's WebSockets. Those live notification that instantly pops up, yep, that's WebSockets. Online multiplayer games would be cooked without WebSockets, and so would stock markets, sports score updates, and tools like Google, tools like Docs, Sheets, and other collaborative tools. That's all WebSockets. Oh, and one quick cool thing. WebSockets start as a regular HTTP request. Your browser says, "Hey server, can we upgrade this to a WebSocket?" Server replies, "Yeah, let's do it." And boom, HTTP becomes WebSocket. They call it the handshake. It's like starting a text conversation and then switching to a phone call mid-chat. So, to recap, HTTP equals you constantly ask, "Got anything?" like texting. WebSockets equals open connection, both sides talk freely, like a phone call. Use it when you need real-time, instant updates. And it's surprisingly easy to code. That's WebSockets. No fancy jargon, just a persistent connection that lets data flow both ways. If this finally made WebSockets click for you, drop a light bulb in the comments. And if you want me to explain other confusing dev concepts like this, what should I cover next? Promises? Docker? Let me know below. Subscribe if you want more coding explained simply. I break down one concept every week. Thanks for watching. Now, go build something real time.